there's wonderful illustrations of how we tap into that. They've been doing all this research at the Institute of Heart Math. In fact, they've done a study with participants where they connected their brains to a monitor, their hearts to a monitor, and they wanted to see how the brain and the heart responded and how they interacted. And they proceeded to show the participants images through slides of different images, say a field of flowers. It's like, ah, field of flowers. So then they would see that response in the brain and the heart. A car accident, you know, and so then they'd see that in the brain and the heart. And what they began to see was that actually it was our heart that was responding first, and it was sending information up to the brain. They actually then took that study. I mean, this was a fascinating study to me about the heart. They took that study and then they actually randomized the slides so that the participants and the person showing the slides didn't know the order of the slides. And then the other thing they did is they put a dark slide in between each of the images. And then they showed the participants that. So they'd bring up the dark slide and they'd wait, and then they'd bring up the image. And as they went through this process, they began to see that in that dark slide, the heart already started responding and knew exactly what was coming next, and it was responding 6 to 7 seconds before the image showed up. This is what our heart taps into. And often we find that that happens. Our hearts know something way before our brain and our head.